There are one or two small tools that I need to explain. All right, let's assume we are working and we made a mistake. In this case, we can use the undo and redo buttons. By pressing the undo button, we go one step back, and by pressing the redo button, we move one step forward. The function of these two buttons is exactly like in other software. You can also use keyboard shortcuts to do the same. For undo, use the shortcut Ctrl-Z, and for redo, use the shortcut Ctrl-Y. Usually, at the beginning of work, everyone needs a guideline on the page to align their design accurately. You can use this tool for that purpose, and the shortcut Alt-click does the same job. If you activate this tool and click on the page, a guideline will be placed on the page. As long as this tool is active, every time you click on the page, a guideline will be added. If you want to exit this mode, you need to deactivate this tool. All right, these guidelines can be moved. I will click on one of them and move it. As you can see, you can move them very easily. If you want to delete them, click on one of them once and then press the Delete button on the keyboard. You can also use this tool to select all the words on the page. If you want to deselect the selected words, you can use the same tool. By clicking on it, all selected words will be deselected. The cut, copy, and paste tools work just like in other software. You can select a word, press the cut button, and then paste it somewhere else on the page using the paste button. In the settings, we also have a dark mode and the option to display a help window, which I will explain now. I will activate both. The help window provides a brief explanation of some important points that I have explained in the tutorial videos. These explanations are very short and concise and are placed here because they are sometimes necessary to quickly glance at during the early stages of work. You can close the help window if you want. You can also exit dark mode at any time. If you want, you can disable the tooltip display. This way, when you hover the mouse over a tool, no explanation about it will be shown. In the profile section, you can change your password if you want. The email address cannot be changed. If you want to change your password, click on this button. Enter your current password, and then enter the new password twice. The new password must be a 6-digit code. Then click the Update button to change the password. To log out of the program, you can click Log Out from here or Log Out from within the Profile section. If you need to contact the developer or have any issues, I'd be happy to hear from you through the address provided in the settings or on the website. My Telegram contact is also available there, and I prefer communicating via Telegram. Of course, there is also an email address. Here, you can increase the number of undo and redo actions. By default, I have set 100 actions for the undo button.